Hello, teacher. Good evening.
Okay, hello, Pua. Let's wait for Hope to enter in the meeting before we start our class. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so let's wait for him before we start our class. Okay, did you bring your notebook last time, Pua? Did you bring your notebook last time? The one that did you use in writing your lesson last time? Because this time I will going to ask you a question about the story of the red rubber
Okay.
ball. Okay, Folk is not yet here. Wait for a minute. I will going to contact his mom. Okay? Okay, so Tua, we will going to start our class. Even Folk is not around because the time is running. Okay. Okay, so this time, Tua, let's going to review. Let's have a review for our lesson last time, which is the red rubber ball. Again, what is the game that Ashanti plays with her friends?
She
It
said that she
is,
plays Naga.
okay, it's Daga. How about, how about Hayu and his brother? What is the name of their game? It
They play
is,
they play in Omak.
okay. So now let's have to identify what is a Daga game. What is a Daga game?
Naga game is in the bar Manchester. So we need to close into the center of the circle.
Okay, very good. So Daga is a boa constructor. Do you know what is a boa koa? Do you know what is a boa?
No, like a snake.
Yes, very good. That is a kind of a very big snake. Have you seen that one in the movies? Have you seen a big boa in the movies that eating
I saw it.
peoples? Okay,
It's
very good.
eat people. The
Yes.
mouse.
Okay. Okay, now how about the Omo? How will the Omo game played?
We need two pebbles, little dark pebble and little white ones.
Okay, very good. So you will going to line up all the dark pebbles
White,
and also the white
white belong to
ones.
me.
Okay, how about what is the game of Fernandez family?
It's
It is
large and
called.
tuna.
Okay, so how would Latin Kuna to be played?
We need to draw a box in the sand and write the name of the box. One day of the which you need to choose the stone and you jump another people jump on it and land in,
Uh,
the, in the next book without stepping on the land.
okay,
You
very good.
keep okay.
Okay, so Latin Kuna played as Papa will going to draw boxes in the sand and Mama will write names in the boxes for each day of the week and then they will toss us a stone and Maria will going to jump over it. Okay, so I think we're done with this one. Okay, so Kua, you will going to answer the following question. Okay. Can you see the activity for letter A? Can you
Yes.
see it on Goa? Okay. So for letter A, you will going to match each of the game rule to a game. Again, for letter A, you will going to match each game
It's
rule
game.
to a
No,
game.
it's game.
Okay. Did you understand the instruction?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So kindly answer them now.
Homework. Done.
Okay, you're done. Okay, wow, that's a fast score. Okay, let's check your answer for this activity. Now, kindly read the statement for number one and say your answer.
Number one is each players trying to line up five stones. I match it to C. Homework.
Okay, very good. So each player tries to line up of five stones. So the answer is
Homework.
okay, very good. So that is almost
Okay.
okay. Yes, Chongfok is here, so we will going to welcome Chongfok.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Chongfok. Hello, good evening. Okay, listen to the lesson for this one because after we will go to check for Kua, you will be the one to answer the activity. Okay, so Chongfok get a new haircut, so you look so handsome.
No,
Okay, how about for number
listen.
two? Kindly read the statement for number two and say your answer, Kua.
Number two is one player has to jump over a stone. I match it to
I
B.
cannot hear you.
Latakuna.
Hello, Trangfok, do you have a problem? Can't you hear me? Can't you hear me, Trangfok? Can't you hear me clearly? Okay, so
Yes,
we will.
okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, so very good. One player has to jump over a stone, and that is La and Kuna. Very good. How about for number 3, Kua?
Number 3 is the player in the middle is a snake. I match it to Daga.
Okay, very good. So that game is called Jaga. The player in the middle is the snake. Okay, very good. So congratulations, Kua. You've got a perfect score for the first activity. So Kua got 3 out of 3. Very good. Okay, so Kua, let's take a picture of your score. 1, 2, 3. Kindly smile. Kindly smile, Kua. Okay, very good. Now, how about hello, Trumpo? You will be the one to answer the activity now. Okay, so you will going to match each game rule to a game. Again, you will going to match the game rule and the name of the game. Again, you will going to match this one, the game rule and the game. Okay, so kindly answer uh, the number 1, 2, 3.
Number one, each player tries to line up 5 stones. Each
Okay, so what is the name of that game? Did you practice in writing your answer on the screen?
yes.
Okay, so kindly match your answer by matching the following numbers to the following letters. For example, if your answer with, just like what Noah did earlier, he matched the game role to the game. Okay, do you know what to write your answer now? Kindly match the letter and the following number.
Is number one C, a mug.
Okay, so if your answer for number 1, you will going to match the following number and letter. Okay, so if your answer for letter C, you will going to match like this. Do you know how to do this, Trangfo? Do you know to do this?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, so kindly continue answering your activity for number 2 and number 3 by matching them to the number and letter. Okay? Okay, so we will wait for you. Okay, how about your answer for number 2? Okay, so I think you're done with your activity now. Okay, so let's check your answer. Okay, so what's your answer for number 1? Can you read the statement and the name of the game?
The number one is C,
Okay,
a
can you
mug.
read the statement first? Each player.
Each player tries to line up 5 stones. Game a mug.
Okay, very good. So each player tries to line up 5 stones. So that game is called Omok. Okay, very good. How about for number 2?
Uh,
Kindly
num-
read.
One player has to jump over a stone. Game B.
Yes.
Latulkune.
Okay, very
Latulkune.
good. Okay, so one player has to jump over a stone. So that game is called Latin Kuna. Very good. How about for number three? Can you read the statement and the name of the game?
The player in the mid- middle is the snake. Game Dragon.
Okay, very good. So that game is called Daga. The player in the middle is the snake. Okay, for Folk. So Folk got also a perfect score. Folk got also 3 out of 3. Okay, very good. So Folk, let's take a picture of her score. 1, 2, 3. Kindly smile. Okay, very good. So congratulations, boys. You're able to answer the following game rule and the game. So Kua get a perfect score. So let's give Kua for 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, Kua. And for also for Chongfu. Chongfu get also perfect score for this activity. So let's give also Chongfu a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so very good, boys. Now we will going to proceed to letter B, which is you will going to identify what is the main idea of the red rubber ball. Again, we will going to identify the main idea of the red rubber ball. Can you see the activity in letter B? Okay, so this one. What is the main idea of the red rubber ball? Again, what is the main idea of the red rubber ball? Okay, so Tua, your color for pen is, okay, green, and for book, you can use color blue. So kindly put a check on the box if you think that that is the main idea of the red rubber ball. So kindly use blue pen to write your answer. Okay, let me know if you're done answering your activity, Chongfuk, because Kua and I is waiting for you to finish.
I cannot change the color.
What did you say? You can change your color. Okay, so Kua, can you change the color of your pen because Folk is struggling to change the color of his pen. I know you are able to change the color of your answer, so we will going to give uh Folk the color green, so you can use other color. Is that okay, Kua? Okay. So kindly change the color of your pen.
Sam can change the color. I can't check it.
You can use the pen instead of the check icon.
Okay. I have blue and you can use pen. Okay.
Okay, so I think you're done changing your answer to us. So let's check your answer now. Okay. So before we going to answer, what is the main idea of the red rubber ball? Now let's recall what is a main idea. Can anybody answer to me what is a main idea?
That idea is kids on over. No, the
It
main idea
is,
is uh,
a main
main idea.
idea is,
I can
how about you, Chongfu? Can you give me the answer? What is a main idea?
I think the main idea cloud kicks the ball high in the sky.
Now, I'm asking you, what is a main idea itself? What is main idea? And how would you identify that that sentence is a main idea? The main idea is, it talks about, it talks about the story. Again, what is the main idea?
Let's talk about the story.
Very good. So for the story, the red rubber ball, what is the main idea? So what's your answer, Kua? It's
the main
okay.
idea talk about how what is the main idea talk about how what is the story is reading.
Okay, very good. Now for the story, the red rubber ball, what is the main idea of that story? What is
The
the
main
main idea of the story, the red rubber ball? Can you read your answer?
My answer is kids over the world like to play games.
Okay, thank you for answering. Thank you for answering, Kua. How about you, Chongfu? What do you think is the main idea of the game, the red rubber ball? Okay, can you open your mic? Can you open your microphone? I can hear you.
I
What
think
do you think?
cloud kicks the ball high in the sky.
Okay, thank you for your answer also, Chongfu. But the correct main idea of the red rubber ball is, who do you think have the right answer? Is it Chongfu or Kua? Okay, so the main idea of the red rubber ball is the kids all over the world like to play games. Okay, so Kua got the correct answer. Now, Kua, can you recall all the games in the red rubber ball? What is the game with Ashanti? It is.
It's dagger.
How about Hayu and his brother? What is the name of the game?
It's
It's
Omok.
it's
Omok.
Omok. How about the La Fernandez family?
It's
What?
Rotakuna.
Very good. So we have Taga, Omok, and La Tuncuna. Okay, so congratulations, Kua. You have the correct answer. But also congratulations for Fluke for trying to answer what is the main idea of the red rubber ball. You can try your answer next time for our next activity. Okay, so boys, let's have your next activity, which is words in context. Again, we will have words in context. Can you see the letter C? Can you see the activity in letter C? Okay, that's good. So, okay, words in context. You will going to write the correct answer of the following numbers. So this is the game. This is the game that it was mentioned in the red rubber ball. Now, kindly study this activity because after our first class, you were going to answer this one. But this time, because we have only 3 minutes left, and I think that is not enough for you to answer this activity. So I will make you I will make you use of the time to study what is the correct word that is going to complete the sentence for the following games. Okay, kindly use the 2 minutes to study this lesson. You can also try to practice your answer, but we will going to answer it later on after our first class. Okay, so you're done studying your answers now. What is the correct word to complete the sentence? So this time, boys, I will going to end the meeting because our first class is already done. So we will going to answer again the activity right after you will going to re-enter at the meeting. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I will going to end the meeting now and please re-enter. Trongfu, kindly re-enter again because we keep waiting you after after this class. Okay, bye-bye for now, boys. See you later.